In this video, you will learn how to complete the personal property listing form. The form will be divided into 12 sections for your convenience. This form can also be completed online. Just visit buncombecounty.org/tax-documents and look up the personal property listing form. Please note, this form must be returned by January 31st to avoid a late list penalty. If this date falls on a weekend, you will have until the next business day to send this in a postmarked envelope or return to our office in person. All contact information for the Assessor's office is found at the top left corner of this form. 1 and 2. Abstract number and owner ID. If you are listing personal property for the first time, enter New in the Abstract field. Next year, a listing form will be mailed to you with your information pre-printed. Section A and B. Please enter your name and current mailing address. If a P.O. box is used for a mailing address, please enter the actual physical street address of the personal property you are listing to ensure the proper tax rate is applied. Section C. Do not write in this section. This is for office use only. Section D. In this section, you will enter your individual personal property items, such as manufactured home and all improvements to the home. Please include the make, model, year, and width. Boats, include the make, model, year, length, and hull number. Also include the make, year of the motor, and horsepower. Aircraft, include the make, model, year, engine hours, and FAA number. Also include vehicles with multi-year tags, permanent tags and IRP plates, untagged vehicles, utility or pull-behind trailers, campers, and motorcycles. All property for this type must include the year, make, model, and VIN number. If you received a pre-printed listing form and you purchased or acquired personal property last year, you should list them in this section. You may attach a separate list if needed. If you no longer own any of the listed items as of January 1 this year, draw a line through the item and mark it sold or disposed. If the item was sold, please note the new owner's name. Section E. If a manufactured home is listed in Section D, please note whose land it is sitting on. Section F. If you own a home that is rented to others and appliances are included, mark those provided. You may provide a separate list if needed. This does not include manufactured homes. Section G. If you made any changes to your property since January 1 of last year, please complete this section. Did you get a building permit? Please check yes or no. List the percent completed as of January 1 this year and the total cost of the project when complete. The current year value section shows your taxable value for this year. It is important to note that if no changes are made to the property listed, this is your first notice of value. Tax relief section shows the amount your assessed value is reduced if you are participating in any of the tax relief programs. Section H. Please provide up-to-date phone numbers and/or email addresses. It is important that we have your contact information in case we have any questions. Section I. It is very important you sign, date, and return by January 31. Unsigned forms will be rejected, and you could be subject to penalties. See page 2 of the listing form for detailed instructions. If the deadline falls on a weekend, your signed listing form must be postmarked or received by our office the next business day. If you would like more information on completing this document, please visit buncombecounty.org/tax.